Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and fix the problem that you might be having with your WooCommerce store if tax is not calculating. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go and open up the official WooCommerce platform that you're using. If you're using WordPress just like me, go to wordpress.com, and from here now we can get started with opening up this main page and taking a look at all the plugins at the left side of the screen that we are using for WooCommerce store. So if you have already set up your store, then you have installed the WooCommerce plugin and so on, and you're going to go and be able to find that plugin right here in your plugin section. So from here what you can do is go ahead and find any kind of article like this one on fixmysite.com on how to fix the WooCommerce tax not showing cart issue. So basically what you can do is follow the steps right here and try any of the troubleshooting that they have given you the option to try right here. And what you can do is go and find those settings right here. Remember that this is the important part. Your WooCommerce settings are going to be in your WooCommerce plugins, and you're just going to open it up, and from there you can access all your settings, management tools, and so on. And then you can try the troubleshooting steps such as enabling tax rates and calculations by opening up your WooCommerce settings and going into the tax section. Then you're going to configure your display settings, maybe edit some code in needed, set up tax rates for your location, and so on. All of that is going to be doable right here from the WooCommerce plugin. So access it and follow the steps right here or in any similar article and try it for yourself. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.